Welcome to Health Ward. I'm Dr. Memet Isik, and today we're uncovering the truth behind the viral Ozempic weight loss trend. Does it really work, or is it just another dangerous fad? In the digital age, health trends come and go with the tide of social media. One such trend that has taken the internet by storm is the Ozempic diet. This viral sensation, popularized on platforms like TikTok and Instagram, claims to offer a natural and effective way to shed pounds and achieve rapid weight loss. The allure of a quick fix, especially one seemingly rooted in a common breakfast staple like oats, has led countless individuals to jump on the Ozempic bandwagon. However, as with any health trend that gains traction online, it's crucial to approach Ozempic with a healthy dose of skepticism and a commitment to understanding the science behind the claims. While the idea of a simple smoothie replicating the effects of a prescription medication might sound appealing, the reality is often more nuanced and complex. This essay delves into the Ozempic trend, examining its origins, purported benefits, potential risks, and expert recommendations for sustainable weight loss. It's essential to remember that blindly following social media trends can have unintended consequences for our health and well-being. As we navigate the world of online health information, it's our responsibility to be discerning consumers, critically evaluating claims and seeking guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. The Ozempic diet typically involves consuming a simple smoothie made from a blend of oats, water, and often a squeeze of lime juice. The preparation is straightforward, requiring minimal ingredients and effort. Proponents of the trend often tout this simplicity as a major advantage, positioning Ozempic as an accessible and convenient weight loss solution. The recipe typically calls for half a cup of oats blended with 1 cup of water, creating a creamy, porridge-like consistency. The addition of lime juice is believed to enhance the flavor and potentially aid in digestion. This basic recipe can be customized with other ingredients such as fruits, vegetables, or spices, depending on individual preferences. While the simplicity of the Ozempic recipe might seem appealing, it's important to remember that true, sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach that encompasses a balanced diet, regular exercise, and personalized guidance from healthcare professionals. At the heart of the Ozempic trend lie bold claims about its efficacy in promoting weight loss, suppressing appetite, and regulating blood sugar levels. These claims, often amplified by anecdotal evidence and influencer testimonials, have fueled the trend's popularity. However, it's crucial to examine these claims through the lens of scientific evidence. One of the primary claims made about Ozempic is its ability to suppress appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake and subsequent weight loss. While oats, being a rich source of soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan, do contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety, they do not possess any magical appetite-suppressing properties that mimic the effects of medications like Ozempic or semaglutide. While incorporating oats into a balanced diet can be beneficial for overall health and weight management, it's essential to approach the claims made about Ozempic with a critical eye and rely on evidence-based information rather than social media hype. The downside of Ozempic: unraveling the risks. While the Ozempic trend might seem harmless on the surface, there are several potential risks and downsides associated with its adoption, particularly when it comes to long-term health and well-being. One of the primary concerns is the risk of nutritional deficiencies, as relying solely or heavily on the Ozempic smoothie can lead to an inadequate intake of essential nutrients. The human body requires a diverse range of vitamins, minerals, protein, and healthy fats to function optimally. Replacing meals with the Ozempic smoothie, which primarily consists of carbohydrates from oats, can deprive the body of these essential nutrients, potentially leading to imbalances and health issues in the long run. Furthermore, the restrictive nature of the Ozempic diet can also contribute to unhealthy eating patterns and a distorted relationship with food. It's crucial to remember that sustainable weight loss is not about deprivation, but rather about making informed choices that nourish the body and support overall well-being. Vulnerable youth. The heightened risks for younger generations. While the Ozempic trend poses potential risks for individuals of all ages, younger audiences, particularly teenagers and young adults, are particularly vulnerable to its negative impacts. This heightened vulnerability stems from a combination of factors, including their developing bodies, social pressures surrounding body image, and susceptibility to online trends. During adolescence and young adulthood, the body undergoes significant growth and development, requiring a diverse and adequate intake of nutrients to support these processes. Restrictive diets like the Ozempic trend can interfere with this crucial period of development, potentially leading to long-term health consequences. Moreover, social media often presents an idealized and unrealistic portrayal of body image, which can exacerbate body image issues and disordered eating behaviors among young people. The Ozempic trend, with its promises of rapid weight loss and before and after photos, can further fuel these unhealthy aspirations and contribute to a distorted relationship with food and body image. The science of sustainable weight loss, expert-backed strategies. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is a journey that requires a holistic and sustainable approach, one that extends beyond quick fixes and fad diets. Instead of seeking shortcuts, it's crucial to focus on establishing healthy habits that nourish the body, promote overall well-being, and can be sustained over time. One of the foundational pillars of sustainable weight loss is a balanced and nutritious diet that provides the body with the energy and nutrients it needs to function optimally. This involves consuming a variety of whole foods including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. In addition to a balanced diet, regular physical activity plays a crucial role in weight management and overall health. Engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with muscle strengthening activities at least twice a week, is recommended. Choosing wisely, navigating the world of weight loss trends. In today's digital age where health information is abundant and readily accessible, it's more important than ever to be discerning consumers and approach weight loss trends with a critical eye. The internet and social media are awash with quick fixes, miracle cures, and fad diets, each promising effortless weight loss and a transformed body. However, the reality is that sustainable weight loss requires a personalized, holistic, and evidence-based approach. It's crucial to remember that our bodies are not one-size-fits-all, and what works for one person may not work for another. Factors such as genetics, metabolism, lifestyle, and underlying health conditions all play a role in determining the most effective and sustainable approach to weight management. Instead of succumbing to the allure of quick fixes and fad diets, it's essential to prioritize our long-term health and well-being by making informed choices backed by scientific evidence and guided by qualified healthcare professionals.